Last weekend we went to Paso Robles to see the Field of Lights, which is an art installation by Munro consisting of an array of over 58,800 stem spears lit by fiber optics. If you are planning to go, I highly recommend purchasing the earliest time. The tickets will be a little higher in cost, but it is definitely worth it. There are several benefits in going early. You'll get to experience the sunset at the field, see the lights turn on, and the crowd will be much less. They are implementing COVID-19 guidelines. They check your temperature upon entering, ask you to social distance and follow the 6 feet rule, and they require you to wear your mask at all times unless if you're eating or drinking. This is a self-guided walking tour, and they have 2 paths. One is a short one and the other one is a little bit longer, and they both are just one way. We found a great spot to sit where there was less foot traffic. We took the longer route, and when it splits into 2, we went left, and then there was a bench there and we just sat there for the rest of the evening. This is the map of the event, and I went ahead and put a circle where we sat. This is the event lawn, where they have food and beverages there for purchase. The exhibition is open Thursday through Sunday till January 3rd, 2021. I do recommend to book in advance as it does sell out. The Guardian says this is an art you feel rather than an art you view. I couldn't agree more. Pictures and videos just don't do justice to how you feel when you are physically there. Thank you for watching this video. If you have been to the Field of Lights or are planning to go, comment below and let me know what you thought of it. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.